Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. Today we are installing our Lauren frontal wig over a shortcut and styling it into an updo. So let's start by prepping the wig before installing. Get you some heat protectant, a hot comb, and comb the hair back so it's out of the way when you're laying the lace into the glue. Make sure you adjust the straps in the back of the wig before placing on your client's head. The tighter, the better. Once the wig is placed to your liking, have the client hold the lace while you cut the ear tabs. Then you would want to cut slits in the lace at the temple areas. Now you'll go in with some setting powder and outline the area where you would like to apply the adhesive. This is a technique that I like to do and I recommend it for beginners. This will provide you guidelines around the hairline, and this will assist you while you apply the glue. You'll know not to go over those marks. Now I am applying my first layer of Bold Hold Active adhesive. My client was a bridesmaid, so I applied at least 5 layers of glue for a long hold. This is so she can act bad at the entire reception, okay? Turn up, turn up. The glue dries clear, pour the lace into the glue. I like to lay the glue in sections, so I'll start with the middle and then the sides. Make sure you blow dry the glue completely before applying your melt band. Now I am cutting the extra lace off using an eyebrow razor in zigzag motions. Make sure you go back and glue down any areas you've missed. Now you'll brush all the hair back using an edge brush and some Fantasia holding spray to further melt the lace. You'll also spray a little bit around the hairline. This is our top seller Lauren 18-inch HD 13x6 frontal wig in the body wave texture. The hair is so soft and silky, y'all. I'll add the link in the video description. We're going to hot comb the hair and get ready to style. So I sectioned out the bang piece in the front and clipped it to the side. Here I am pulling down the baby hairs before slicking the hair up in a messy ponytail. Now for the back, we are adding messy butterfly braids to hide the tracks in the back. I'll section off 3 rows of track and divide the hair into 3 sections. So I usually have the client hold the back of the wig while I'm brushing it up in the ponytail. This avoids the wig from slipping off, and it'll also give you a neater ponytail. I'm using my heat protectant, a hot comb, got to be freeze spray, a hard brush, and a large rubber band. I like to wrap the hair around the rubber band twice, and on the third wrap, I do not pull the hair completely through. It should look like a bun with hair coming through the sides. Let's create 3 loose braids and place a rubber band on the ends. Then you spray the braids with freeze spray and then pull the braids apart from the sides to your liking. So if you want the more of a messier look, you'll pull more hair out. Now pin up the braids to hide the tracks in the back. Now back to the bangs. I am curling using my T2 1.5 curler, then pinning it while I'm styling the bun. Now I'm curling the hair that's left out of the ponytail, and then I'll pin it up. I like to tease a few sections for a messy look. I think this is when she peeked at her hair like all my clients do. Sis was very happy and satisfied with the look, okay? Back to the baby hairs. Here I am cutting the baby hairs out with the eyebrow razor. Make sure you cut it in an angle. And also for a long hold, I'm using Gorilla Snot Gel and Freeze Spray. Remember, less is always more. I'm here to tell you a double frontal or 360 wig is not required for this messy bun updo. I never understood why someone would spend $400 just for 2 frontals to get cut up for a one-time style, okay? Save your money and do this trick, okay? That's it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe. Stay tuned for more beauty videos. Bye.